Here's my daughter driving the go-kart. She's a little slow getting around the track.
Have you posted anything on Facebook yet?
No, not yet.
Post ours first. Get one of me driving.
There you go, Sierra. Don't get stuck this time. Give it the gas. Give it the gas. Give it the gas. There you go. There you go. Whoa! Woohoo! She's having a ball. Watch her face light up when she comes around this corner.
Your toes really cold too.
Yeah.
Can't feel them.
She doesn't get stuck and she just goes forward. There you go. Give it the gas! Give it the gas!